Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're coming across an L2TP connection attempt failed because the security layer encountered a processing error. So we're going to go about resolving this, hopefully not too much of a hassle, and we're going to jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the start menu, type in run, so R-U-N. Best match to go back a run right above desktop app, so go ahead and left click on that. Into the run field you want to type in ncpa.cpl exactly as it appears on my screen, and then left click on OK. Now you want to go right click on whatever the VPN that's been recently added, and then select properties. Select the security tab, and then select where it says allow these protocols. You want to make sure it's checkmark where it says Microsoft CHAP version 2, and then once you have that you want to go select OK. You can also try right clicking on it and selecting properties, and then underneath the options tab, and then left click on PPP settings, and make sure enable LCP extensions is also enabled, and once that's done select OK. Now you want to just try to reconnect to the VPN, and hopefully that would have been able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.